So, says Joan and I, we'd like to have a garden, or at least we'd like to try gardening. But how can we do that? Because the majority of our yard is in shade a large portion of the day. And the best place to put a garden, Allie already put her peonies, and they're growing wonderfully. So we think, and hey, up on the deck, it gets a lot of sun, or it gets more sun than most of the yard, but what do? Bucket farming. Yeah, so I look around and I find some plans and I find some ideas. So what do? I make it. Yeah, let's go to there. And we built that. We call that our bucket bleacher. It's kind of hard to tell. These buckets are really pretty good size. They're 15 inches across. So we've got tomatoes that we bought as a starter, a couple of peppers, another tomato, another pepper, a zucchini, and a cucumber, and another pepper. More peppers, more peppers. We got lots of peppers. More peppers. All these little things are peppers. So we're doing, oh, there's a sunflower. So those things are just things we're playing with. But what we're really trying is this little bucket garden. Oh, forgot to show you the carrot garden. There's our carrot garden. Anyhow, that's about 11 yards of dirt, like a dozen 2x4s and some fence boards to make the bucket garden. So anyhow, we just kind of transplanted and planted things today, and we thought we'd share. So, hey, if anything interesting comes of this, you'll see more. Bye.